In today's video, we'll be looking at an overview of order entry, so let's get started. The process begins with selecting a customer. The blue drop-down lists give you the option to select your customer by name, street address, and phone number, among others. As this customer's file is displayed, be sure to glance at the purple accounting boxes on the right. These give you a quick snapshot of the customer's open balances. Take note of the credit options in the center of the screen. Utilizing them properly can ensure the customer's open balances don't get out of hand. Keep in mind, these options may be password protected for tighter control. A few other items of interest include the customer category and business source drop-down boxes. Monthly sales reports will show the value of activity by category and source, making it easier to see where your efforts are paying off and where you need to put some additional attention. Now let's click here to proceed to the order screen. This is where jobs are created for the customer. Each account can have an unlimited number of jobs. If you've performed the job for this customer before, click Copy Previous Job. You'll see a list of all previously completed jobs for this customer. Click the Copy button next to the appropriate job. In the blink of an eye, the job is copied and a new pending order is created. If entering a new job, Summit has a nifty feature to help keep you better organized. Take a look at the tax rate. It's currently set to the system default. Watch how, after I enter a zip code, the tax rate is automatically changed to reflect the area's proper tax. Not only that, but the city and state get filled in too. This certainly makes it easy to use, but it also helps ensure accuracy with your tax reporting. Once the job site has been defined, the next step is to determine the services to be performed. Choose the item from the drop-down and specify a quantity. Defaults can be set for price, whether or not the item is taxable, and if any warranty is offered. If desired, you can change the information here as appropriate. This is all the information needed to print a work order, but if your company is involved in pumping-related activities, you'll want to check out the additional info screen. Here, you can specify the planned gallons and other tank-related info. Place important location comments here. These will be handy for the technician since they print on the order. Attach a diagram to this job and the related image will print on the work order. Let's say the tank was difficult to locate. The technician can draw a diagram of its location. Once attached, the diagram will print every time the job is scheduled. Whether a new guy is on the job or the old one just plain forgot, never waste time trying to locate a tank again. Use the large diagram field for something like a map, which shows how to get to the job site. This diagram takes up a larger portion of the paper, and because of that, it will print on a second page of the work order. Now that we've entered all the details, let's see what the work order looks like. Notice where the diagram prints. As stated, if a large diagram is attached to this job, it will print on a separate page. This order has all the information needed for the technician to complete the job. If desired, print an extra copy to be left with the customer. When the job is finished, it's time to perform completion. Since this was a pumping job, the disposal screen pops up. Enter the disposal site and actual gallons pumped. Next, we see the method of payment screen. If the customer paid at time of service, enter the method of payment and amount. If no payment was made, simply enter a 0 and click Done. When ready to print invoices, enter the Daily Reports menu and choose Invoice Printing. Any pending invoices can be printed and sent to the customer. There you have it. In only 1 to 2 minutes, you can take a phone call, print a work order, complete the job, and print an invoice. When it comes to software to help manage your business, nothing could be easier. Thank you for viewing this introductory video on our Summit array of products. Before you click any buttons, let me just show you a great way to get additional information from our website. We have a number of specials and additional free content, including more videos that we have available for people like you who are interested in taking their company to the next level. To gain access to the free content, please visit us at www.ritam.com. At the home page, use the register link at the top right. It will ask you to register with your name and main email address. Once registered, select a product on the left, and you'll be able to see our specials, which are for a limited time only. Additionally, you can view more videos, see our product bundles, explore content only available to registered users, and make a purchase online if you're ready. There is no obligation and no salesperson will call. It's easy and completely free to register. We look forward to helping you grow your business and become more efficient in your operations. Together we can be more profitable. Let us show you how. Just log in the upper right of the home page and choose the product you're interested in on the left. Thanks for your time, and I look forward to seeing you in the registered user section.